Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss 2021 online questions of TS Eamcet. It is conducted in the month of August. Second session, morning session questions we completed. That I kept one playlist. And this is the evening session 2021 TS Eamcet limits questions. In this video, we will discuss now. Let us have a discussion. The question here. Limit extends to 0, x square 2 power x minus x square sin x minus x square by 3 power x plus cos x minus 3 power x into cos x minus 1. So, here by observing the question, we are going to apply only limit standard formulas. If we are getting grip on learning formulas, you are able to do this question in a very easy manner. First, I will write here what are the formulas we are going to apply here. Later on, I will explain how to apply, where to apply here. So here, I am going to apply the one formula. Limit extends to 0, a power x minus 1 divided by x is equal to log a to the base e, the first formula. Next, limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos ax by x square is equal to a square by 2. Third formula, limit extends to 0, sin ax by x, a. Suppose in place of a 1 is there, the answer is 1. In place of a minus 3 is there, the answer is minus 3. So these are the three formulas we are going to apply. We need to get the given limit making into formula format. See here, from first and last term in the numerator, x square take common. Even in the third term, middle term also it is x square is there. But I am taking common from first and last. Limit extends to 0, x square into 2 power x minus 1. Remaining as it is, you write it, dear students. X square sin x. After that, divided by, in the denominator, first term, last term, make one term. So 3 power x minus 1. From these two, minus cos x take common. Minus cos x if you take common, 3 power x will come first. Later minus 1. I hope you understand. From the denominator, 3 power x minus 1, one term. From these two, minus cos x I am taking common, 3 power x minus 1. In the next step, in numerator x square take common, limit extends to 0, x square, 2 power x minus 1, this is one term, minus sin x divided by 3 power x minus 1 take common. So the rest of the term is here, 3 power x minus 1 coefficient is what? 1. Minus cos x. This x square I am taking, this is in numerator now, I am taking denominator of a denominator. To get this formula format, this x square I am writing for the denominator of this one. So limit extends to 0, 2 power x minus 1 minus sin x divided by, here 3 power x minus 1 into 1 minus cos x by x square. So limit apply for this one, you are going to get this value. Later on, to apply for this and this function and this function, it is in this form, limit extends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x, no, but x is not there here. Numerator and denominator dividing by x. So limit extends to 0. Here dividing throughout numerator by x, denominator by x. 2 power x minus 1 by x. That dividing a minus b by 2 means x also dividing for this one also. Sin x by x whole divided by, limit apply for this and apply, limit extends to 0. 3 power x minus 1 by x, limit extends to 0 for this. 1 minus cos x by x square. Everyone understand? Limit extends to 0. 2 power x minus 1 by x means log 2 only, no? Here a value is what? Here a, log a to the base c. Whenever here a is there, log a to the base c. In place of a, what value is there? Log 2 is there. So this will becomes log 2 to the base e minus, limit apply for this, limit extends to 0, sin x by x. Here x coefficient is what? 1. It is in this form only, no? Limit extends to sin ax by x. A value here it is 1. So this value is 1 by, limit extends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by x. In place of here 3 is there. So log 3 to the base e, or simply log 3 into, limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square. Here a value is what? 1. 1 square by 2. 1 square by 2 means 1 by 2 only. So denominator of denominator, it will become numerator. 2 into log 2 minus 1. You can remove that e value. Why? Because according to the option I am going. By log 3. So 2 by log 3 into log 2 minus 1. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. This is the way you can do to get the answer. I hope you understand. We will move on to the next question. Yeah, the next question. If limit extends to 2, 3x square minus ax plus 5b divided by x minus 2 is equal to 17, then ab equal to. These are the options. So to solve this type of problem, if limit some value is given, some function, numerator by denominator is equal to some finite value. 17 is a finite value. First step is, first whatever the limit is given, that you can substitute in that and you can get one equation. First, what is the limit here? First step, x tends to 2 means x is equal to 2. Substitute in the numerator and denominator and simplify. So x is equal to 2 substituting. Put x is equal to 2 in the given limit. For understanding purpose, step by step I am writing, students. Otherwise directly also I will, within 2 minutes I will do this question. For your purpose only I am doing in the given limit. So it will becomes 3 into 2 square. So 3 into 4, it will become 12 minus 2a plus 5b divided by 2 minus 2, 0 is equal to 17. If you do the cross multiplication, what you are going to get? 12 minus 2a plus 5b equal to 0. One equation it is. You keep that equation number 1. They are asking to find a and b values and the product of a and b they are asking. After substituting this step, whenever it is finite value, you remember that we need to apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule means limit extends to 2, differentiate numerator, differentiate denominator and then equal to 17. So by LH rule means L'Hospital rule. So limit extends to 2, differentiation of numerator, 3 into x square derivative is 2x, 2x into 3, 6x, minus a constant, x derivative is 1, a into x derivative is 1, that is a, 5b constant whose derivative 0, by x minus 2 derivative is also 1, which is equal to 17. After applying differentiation of numerator and denominator, then apply limit, x is equal to 2, substitute here, what happens? X is equal to 2. If we substitute 6 into 2, 12. Minus A is equal to 17. That implies 17 we can take this side. So 12 minus 17 is equal to A. So minus A is equal to A. Minus 5 is equal to A. A value substitute in equation 1. A is equal to minus 5. Substitute in 1. We get 12 minus 2 into minus 5 plus 10 plus 5b is equal to 0. That implies 5b equal to 10 plus 12, 22. We can take this side, minus 22. So b is equal to minus 22 by 5. So a value we got it, b value also we got it. Therefore now what they are asking to find? A into b. A value minus 5 into b value minus 22 by 5. 5 get cancelled. Minus into minus plus. So 22. So therefore AB is equal to 22. See, like IP problems only in the previous question, whatever we applied the formulas which we studied in the IP, that is the reason, dear students, my suggestion, especially those who are writing Eamcet, whether it is in DS or AP, better to practice before exercises or including exercises, the limits, differentiation, the formulas related, especially standard limits related questions you have to practice and get it the good marks in the coming competitive exams. So the value of AB is 22. So it is there in the fourth option, dear students. We'll move on to the next question. In 2021 online, 3 questions given from the limits. 3 questions or 4 questions given in the differentiation. That I will make another video. We'll move on to the next question now. The next question. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x by x tan 2x plus 2x by 3 tan 3x is equal to. So here also, first what formulas I am going to apply? I will write for your convenience. 1 minus cos 2x in the last question, that means first question of this session. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos ax by x square is equal to a square by 2. Next question. Next formula. Limit x tends to 0. Sin ax, no, tan it is there. Tan ax divided by x is equal to a. So these are the 2 formulas we are going to apply now. To apply the first formula, denominator should be equal to x square only, no? So in the numerator, x square is not there. So what I am going to do is dividing numerator and denominator by x square. So the given limit will becomes limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x divided by x square, dividing each and every term also by x square and apply limit. Limit x tends to 0, x tan 2x divided by x square plus limit x tends to 0, 2x by 3 into tan 3x divided by x square. Each and every term in the numerator, denominator dividing by x square. So here one of the x cancel. Here also one of the x cancel. In the numerator, it is in the form of limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos ax by x square. So a is equal to what here? 2. So 2 square by 2. Numerator value 2 square by 2. By limit x tends to 0, tan ax by x. A value is what? 2. So here from second formula, 2 plus, here already 2 by 3 is there, constant we can take outside, and limit extends to 0 tan 3x by x 3. So here 3 get cancelled. Here one of the two cancel. So which is equal to 2 by 1 by 2 plus 2 4. So which is equal to 2 by 4 which is equal to 1 by 2. So which is there in the second option, dear students. I hope everyone understand. This is the way you can practice, dear students. Number of questions. I already kept 35 to 40 videos in limits. JMains, Eamcet, previous BitSat, previous Eamcet questions. Once you go through, this is my sincere request to all preparing Eamcet, TS or AP. Once you go through, you will get different models in the limits. Thank you all of you. Signing off, Maths with Palindra. Jai Hind.